So I had some guys come over and drop off a load of product called crushed concrete. I never really had much dealings with this before. I barely knew much about it. I was going to get some limestone to make the base under here, but when I was exploring the products that the vendor offered for the rocks, for the limestone, I saw they had crushed concrete, and he said this would make a really good base for under there. So for about $30 less a yard, I think I paid like $65 a yard for this, and limestone was like $99 a yard. I went ahead and got 5 yards of this, and it really turned out well. Watch the videos and see how it looks. Alright y'all, I just got a load of crushed concrete. I went with that rather than limestone. It's about $30 cheaper a yard, and it's better suited for a base in this application. According to what I did some research, it's well suited for this application. Also got some limestone I had delivered to the driveway. I thought I might need more than what I got. The guy verified it when he got here. He brought 3 yards over. He said you need 10 to 12 yards to make the driveway look right. So we'll see what happens. You know, I'm gonna fill it in, but everything costs money, so it's all about how much the pocketbook is in. I'm gonna get this spread out. All right, y'all. Back out here at the pole barn. I finally got the pad put in. Got it all spread out. It came out really nice, if you ask me. That crushed concrete really is the stuff of this. But kind of see it's right on the drip line. You can kind of see it rained today, but we get this kind of rain, it'll be dry in no time, because this ain't really rain. This is just a little drip. We need a lot more than this to get us where we need to be. But yeah, this came out really nice. Maybe could have went with a little bit more on that side right there, but for the most part, it's good. That crushed concrete really works as a good base. I mean, that stuff is tight and packs really well. Right here, I probably could have had a little bit more right here. Who knows? I might order another 2 yards of it just to skirt around and put out in the front, and fill up this little area a little bit more in the front right here. But I don't absolutely have to have it. You see a little grass in there. That's where I had the pile right here, and some of that grass where I scooped a little too deep is right there. But that's just gonna die and go away. So, but really nice, y'all. I'll be able to start moving stuff over here soon.